Hi, I'm Dr. Gladney. Welcome to the countdown to New Year's. For the next 12 days, I am going to be posting strategies and tips that will help you become a better you for 2014. Today was day one, and we dealt with the issue of procrastination. Now, about 95% of the clients and the people that I talk to and work with on a daily basis deal with the issue of procrastination. They all say, I could get things done if I weren't a procrastinator. So I put the question out there, how many of you are procrastinators? And I'm going to give you a gift at the end of this to help you. Let me first tell you the reasons why people procrastinate. The number one reason has to do with insecurity. That's right, insecurity. It's really the thread that runs through everything in our lives. You're insecure about maybe being able to get the job done, having the ability to get it done, but you feel insecure about yourself in some way. And that stops you. It doesn't manifest itself until we think of it in the way of fear. Fear is the second reason. You're afraid of something. You're afraid that if you get it done and it's not right, then you may have to go back and do it over. You're afraid if you connect with that person that you see every 3 months and you say we're going to get together that you really don't want to. It's some type of fear of something. Sometimes it's fear of success or fear of failure. Some people are perfectionists. And then the third reason is that you just don't want to. Sometimes it comes down to us being apathetic, or some people have said they're just lazy and don't want to get things done. Those are really the valid reasons why procrastination jumps on your back and weighs you down. I want to help you work through this issue of procrastination. First of all, in dealing with your insecurity, I want to challenge you for this coming year to just do it. Don't think about it. If you have to redo something, just redo it. I'm not a perfectionist, so I believe that getting it done is better than having nothing. Some people have analysis paralysis and they don't get anything done in life. I will jump in, work it out, and then if you have to redo something, it's okay. The other uh, the other answer is to help you to make a decision and decide that this is what you want to do. This is what I'm going to do. If you've been wrestling with those health issues and weight loss goals and all of the things, just do it. Make a decision and get it done. Because when it boils down to it, people will say it's their time, it's all of this. But no, you know what? We do what we want to do with our time. People will say they don't have time to do so many things, but they're really doing what they want to with their time because they make the decision that that's what they want to do. That's what I want you to do is make a decision that this is what you want to do and you're going to be progressive in this year. What I want to give to you is something that was given to me, and it's kind of a fun way. It's my gift to you to help you stop procrastinating for this next year. So many of us says, I'll get around to it at some point in time. I'll do it later. Those were the responses that came back today even. The reason is I'll just do it later. Well, sometimes later doesn't even come up and we don't get a chance to do those things. So if you've been talking about you'll get to it when you get around to it, this is what I'm giving to you is around to it. This is a gift that I am presenting to you. I'm going to email this to you. All you have to do is inbox me on Facebook or tweet me on Twitter, and I will send you around to it. Now, it's kind of a fun way to just get things done. And you see, it says no more excuses. We're not going to tolerate, and say to yourself, you're not going to tolerate excuses. You're either making excuses or being productive. You're either making excuses or making money. What category do you fall in? I want to send you this round to it. I want you to print it out, hang it on your wall, so you won't be able to say, I'll do that when I get around to it because you have one. That is my gift to you to help you in the area of procrastination. And I hope you find it very helpful. And I'll see you again tomorrow when we count down again and we're on day number 2. Have a great evening.